Hi everybody, Becky Late Bloomer Abroad, back with another travel video because I feel like it's really coming when I can travel again. I've purchased my first ticket for my around the world trip, although I say that I'm really only going to all of Asia, a good part of Asia, and Europe, including Eastern Europe for the first time, hopefully, and Morocco, where I've never been before. But I'm getting my second COVID vaccination in 6 days, and so I bought my first ticket to go from San Francisco to Hong Kong, January 2nd, 2022, to start off my adventure. So it started me thinking I better go through. I have a ton of travel accessories. This is really just a portion of what I've collected over the last 30 years because you don't get rid of it unless you know for sure that it's not going to work for you, that you would never, if I know I'd never use it again, then I get rid of it. Okay, now here are the packing cubes. These are something I bought last year when I thought I would already be traveling. It has a double set of zippers, so you fill it and then you do the second set of zipper and it's going to actually compress it smaller. Okay, this section here is what I'm going to take on the airplane. This was, in addition to melatonin, this is the single best thing I've ever purchased for travel. Because I have a titanium plate in my neck, and so I cannot let my head go to the side when I'm sleeping in an airplane or even if I'm just resting, because it takes my neck a lot longer to get uncrypt. It's very painful. It's got really good support, so I can sleep just sitting up. I don't have to, my head doesn't go to, and my head can't go to the side, and I still have room for my earbuds or whatever, so I can listen to music. But this plus this, I have had this mask for at least 20 years. I don't know why it's so good. Well, it needs to be washed, but it's washable, it's adjustable, and it's extremely comfortable, and I just don't see a reason to buy a new one. It's fantastic. This ear plugs, and if I don't have an earplugs, if I'm not listening to music, then I use these silicone earplugs. I have to use the child size because the adult size are way too big for me. This plus melatonin equals, even someone as afraid of flying as I am can sleep like a baby on an airplane. I've slept up to 8 hours before on an airplane just with this. Now, I was at the window seat, so nobody was climbing over me, which helps. But anyway, so I take this on the airplane. I was given this somewhere, but it's a TSA approved liquids bag. I usually take a quart size Ziploc, but we'll see. If I could fit what I need in here, I'll take this instead. These are my compression socks that I always wear on airplanes to guard against clots, blood clots. So far, this is my little laundry kit and my toothpaste. It'll go, that and my medicines will go in this pouch. I got a dry shampoo. I got 2 of them, and I've been testing one in the shower, and it's fantastic. It really lathers up very well. This is a microfiber towel, big enough, it folds out, big enough to dry myself off after a shower and put around my hair. These are really nice, especially if I'm staying in a less expensive hotel or a hostel somewhere where they don't provide
towels, and it dries really, really fast, which is good. These are covers for my, which is which? Must be, this is for my big backpack, and this is for my little backpack. The two that I'll be traveling with both when I'm going from country to country on trains or in airplanes. And in case it's pouring rain, which of course in Asia, it's green for a reason. It rains a lot, unexpectedly. And they're real torrential downpours. So I got those. Footnote, I needed a pillow to take. I can't use anything too thick because of the plate in my neck, and I'm a stomach sleeper. So I have to have quite a thin pillow. And camping pillows are too big. So what I did was bought some stuffing that people would put in a pillow. And I cut up my son Keith's, one of his childhood sheets, and made a SpongeBob little pillow that Velcros shut so I can wash it. I'm using the same sheet to make him a pillowcase, and it looks a little big, but it's really not. It's very soft. I laid on it and it's pretty perfect. So now to fit in my backpack, this is one of the things I'll have to put in the see, it goes real flat when you push on it. I'm gonna put that in one of the bags that you roll it up and it pushes all the air out, and it's going to flatten it so it won't take up much space. I'll show you a couple of the items that I'm happiest with that I'll be taking. This is number one. I love it. Anyone who knows me knows how I love coffee, and I find it difficult to get going in the morning without it. So what do? This is my coffee setup with a pour over. I have little coffee filters to take with it. Now the unusual thing about this is this coffee filter goes flat, and it'll hook on the outside of something too if you need it to. This cup with the lid on it, it's a 12-ounce cup for hot drinks, and of course if I'm someplace and if I want to have soup or anything, it'll work, right? So here it is. This will go down. You take off the little collar that's a harder plastic, and then this goes down. This fits in. This goes on, and there's your coffee cup. Well, your all-purpose cup. In keeping with the eating theme, I got this from the university where I work, this little set for participating in some sort of a sustainability contest. I can't remember what we had to do to get it, but I've had this for at least a couple years and was really happy with it because I'm taking this with me. And when I'm like walking around in Chiang Mai or Ho Chi Minh City, wherever it is, I like to eat street food. And street food often comes with not much in the way of utensils. So this is a bamboo utensil set, and it has a good sized spoon, it has a fork, it has a knife that actually has good enough teeth on it that it'll cut meat, and bamboo chopsticks, a bamboo straw, and a straw cleaner. And it all fits like this and will fit easily in my purse. I take this when I travel, clips on the outside of my purse, and inside is a nice size shopping bag, which has come in
handy multiple times. This is my security. I have 2 security items. This is a doorstop that fits you when you're inside. You have your door locked. Hopefully, everything has a lock. You fit it inside like it's a door jamb with the door closed. And what happens is if someone tries to open it, it pushes this down. Let me make sure it's off so it won't make the sound. It pushes this metal thing down and it emits a very loud and obnoxious sound that no one in the vicinity would be able to ignore. And safety pouch that will fit around my neck and then tuck inside my shirt, and you can tuck it inside your pants as well to make it extra secure. I don't want to have a money belt around my middle. I just don't think that that would be as comfortable. And when I'm going to use this is actually overnight trains, especially overnight trains, overnight buses. I would put my passport, my wallet, things like that that you can't do without in here and tuck it in. I also have the purse that I'm taking is slash proof. What is it? RFID proof, so that no one walking by can scan your cards. And yet it's a small little bag, but there's no way anyone's getting in that sucker. But this will be what I'll use when I'm on trains or buses overnight.
Thanks for watching. Ciao.